What's up, buddy? How you doing today? How you doing today? I don't know. Is it Wednesday, Thursday? What is it? What day is it? I don't even remember. Don't even remember. Do you know what day it is? How you doing today? How many chips you want? 3, 2, 1. Start off with 2. Go with a lazy 2 chips. Lazy 2 chipper. How you doing, buds? How you doing? Crush them up. Crush them up for you. Crush them up. Hey, let me brushed up. Come on, we go. How you doing, buds? How you doing, buds? Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time, buddy. Yeah. Yeah. Hungry? Hungry day? Hungry day? Yeah, my buddy. Hey, how's your day out there? A little cloudy today, wasn't it? Did you find when your other friends are looking up in the sky, they're like, oh, is that a bird or a cloud? Because they couldn't tell from your belly. Because they couldn't tell from your belly. Want a little more? More? There's some more. There's some more. Gotta put the camera down while chips in my hand. More chips. More chips. More chips for Eddie. How you doing, hungry man? How you doing, hungry man? There you go. There you go. Get on the corner. Get over there. See? Oh, you coming back? Where are you going? Coming back? Come back. Come on. There you go, buddy. Go in the corner. Over here. Over here in the corner. Come back. Come back. Come back. Where are you going? Eddie. Eddie.